We are presenting our new product for the first time in India. Our Shsal Aluminium Operable Louvers with sliding folding shutters is a patented product. The Shsal Louvers window is the natural choice for enjoying a breath of fresh air in your home that provides you the maximum flow of air and a stylish ergonomic lockable handle that goes well with any interior. It is available in a varieties of sizes and standards and designer configurations, making it easy to match your window to your home design. The mechanism of Shsal operable louvers consists of aluminum die-cast and the color of louvers remains same. This is one of the safety louvers which is not manually removable. Our Shsal louver window will bring you one step closer to relisting your dream home, regardless of whether you're renovating or building your new home. For more details, contact us on 98246 76507.